Good morning, Ma'am Grace. Good morning, classmates. This is my performance task in English. George racing car. Peppa, George, Daddy Pig, and Grandpa Pig are watching television. It's such a lovely day. You should go outside and play, Granny Pig says. What shall we do? Asked Daddy Pig. Burn! George wants to play racing cars, cries Peppa. Let's build him one, said Grandpa Pig. He finds an old pram into his shed. Clever Grandpa Pig turns the pram into a pedal car. What's your favorite number, George? Asked Daddy Pig. Snort, snort, replies George. Daddy Pig paints a big 2 on the car's bonnet. Along come Danny Dog, Zoe Zebra, and Pedro Pony. Look at George's racing car, says Peppa. We shall race 3 times around the garden. George, they cry. Go! Peppa shouts, waving a checkered flag. At the end of lap 2, George is in the lead until one of his wheels come off. I am the chief mechanic, George, cries Peppa. I can fix it. George gets back in the race, but now he's last. Granny Pig comes outside to see what noise is all about. Come on, George, she shouts. Meow, he says, pedaling as fast as he can. Go, George, snort Peppa, Daddy Pig, and Grandpa Pig. George finally takes the lead and zooms across to the finish line. George is the winner, declares Grandpa Pig. Well done, George, says Peppa. You're the best racing driver in the whole world. Snort, snort, George agrees. And you've got the best chief mechanic in the whole world too, adds Daddy Pig. Yes, that's me, pointing to herself proudly. Hey, hey, everyone laughs. The end. The moral lesson from the story is to never give up and chase one's dream.
Magandang gabi po, Ginang Amarga. Ako po si Prince Zian Alumayaga. Ang gagawin ko po ay mag-fruit carving. Ito ang aking gagamitin. Kutsilyo, kutsara, at mga kamatis. Ito po ang aking final output. Maraming salamat po. Bye!
We adore you. We praise and thank you for all the gifts that we receive, Father in heaven. Lord, thank you for the gift of life, the good health that you give in each one of us, Father in heaven. Lord, thank you for the blessings sa panagigugmaay, blessings sa
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Kanta ba?
Kanta ba? Kanta.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, tilo ka lang, salamat ka. Bibi. Bibi. Ito ba gini? Abog.
Marunong mag-ice cream.
Pero makita. Tanaw po dito. Parang ka. Lunch in your wine ba?
Uy, gisang iadman in tao na nimo. Kutsara mo ikahig, ayaw imong kamot. Dili katong usik imong gitusno sa kuan mo, imong trapuhan sa kutsara. Oh, huma na. Dito, unahan. Dito na, padalong dito. Punit niya isagot ka ng mga inan de. Ayaw, uy! Ito.
Magandang umaga po, Ginang Jade. Ito po ang aking performance task sa EPP. Gagawa ako ng apron gamit ang gunting, karayom at sinulid, pin, at tela.
A few moments later.
Ito na po ang aking final output na apron.